Hey friends, Petro here. Today I'll have a look at PYR or Vulkan Forged. Let's see, what do we see here? After a nice run, which we can see here of about 10x, 1000%, we had decent correction of 71%, close to 72%, which is not unseen. It is a new coin, and after a pump it will definitely correct, and especially because Bitcoin dumped and it was very uncertain lately. It was something normal for this to happen. Now, what can we expect for the future? Now, if Bitcoin going up to 52, 53k, then I would expect for this coin to come back up and try to hit these targets right here. This would be next targets, or that at least would be nice to see. Now we see that it's trying to close the first candle above the 9 EMA. We see we had this close here, but it was too early. Now it is a higher chance that it will close this candle above, and I think it will charge up to the 55 EMA and the 21 EMA. I like what I see here because the EMAs are very closed and are making a squeeze, and this is a good sign. But I would not expect for this coin to just go like this. No, that will not happen. I would like to see it coming back to this area, and after it will conquer this area and break it, maybe use it as support, then we can talk about future targets of previous all-time high. Do we see anything? We have the weekly, but it is expected, if Bitcoin of course will keep going as it goes right now, it is expected to close this weekly candle positive one, right? Blue bar in my case, and I think it would be nice to close this candle above the 9 EMA, which is right here, right? Let's see, $22. That would be the target, and that does not seem very difficult to do if it keeps going as it is doing right now. On a macro picture, we can see that it held the 21 EMA, which is very strong actually. It did not go beneath this. This is a very good sign actually, and healthy one. But I do expect for this to range for a while before going back up to retest the previous all-time high and make new ones. Now, if we look at the indicators, we can see that we did not even have a crossing on the MACD, so there is a lot of room for this coin to go. We see the stochastic is crossing up and heading higher, and the stochastic and the RSI is for the first time since this fall breaking the EMA resistance right here, as we can see right now. It looks like it is getting rejected, but anyway, I'm expecting for the EMA to go this way and the stochastic to follow. It would be nice to see, and the RSI to follow. It would be nice to see though using it as support, but it could also go like this and be choppy. That is something similar to this area right here. Yes, if we see this is better. This is strength right here. Right here is undecided, so this is what I would like to see. Now let's see. I think we could say that we had this Elliott waves ABC, and now we are starting our first wave from the 1 to 5 waves. Let's see how high this will go, but I would guess it should meet some resistance in this area right here. We have this important EMAs, 55 and 21 EMAs. Not only that, we see this wick right here or even here. It's a important resistance level right here. We can see we have many touches here in this area. We have these candles, wicks of those candles here. So yeah, I'm expecting this to be quite significant resistance, maybe bounce back, but maybe it will manage to make a higher low and build on that and maybe break it on the next attempt or in a future one. Let's see if we can find anything useful on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we have the 9 EMA is crossing the 21 EMA. It did that previously once, twice, but now we are in a much better support area, and I'm expecting for this to go for a longer time. And as we can see, this area right here, I'm expecting 32, somewhere between 30 and 32 bucks. I'm expecting to be hard not to crack. But as long as Bitcoin is bullish, I don't see any reason why this coin would not perform maybe even better. We can see the MACD cross up right here, and the RSI is going very strong, right? So I'm expecting for this to move up in the bullish zone, maybe something like this. So maybe it's possible to reach to these areas between 30 and 32 bucks before the end of this year. That's possible. We still have 9 days until the end of the year, and something very special would be to retest this area right here, but I don't think it's an easy feat to do that, and I don't really think it's going to happen before the end of this year. I'm expecting for this to do something like this, and maybe towards the end of January and the beginning of February to retest the previous all-time high. Here you go. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like me to review any other coins you have in mind, please leave me a comment and tell me which coins, and I will try to have a look at them. Thank you for watching and see you around. Bye bye.